Hi, good day. In this tutorial, I'll be taking you through how to use the quiz feature. Let's say, for example, you want to create trivia quizzes in your app. This feature will come in handy for you. So, let's get started. Assume you're already in your app and you're already in the Features tab. Yeah, you're already in this tab of your app. So you can look through all the features we have and search for the quiz feature. You can just simply search for quiz here. So I'm going to click quiz and add it to my app. Alright, so I've just added quiz. Design, if you want to change the background of your quiz, but I don't want to, so I will leave it that way. Results, here is where the result of your published quiz will appear. All the quiz that you publish, the result of it will appear here based on the user's responses or the user's attempts to the quizzes. Show the correct answers after each question. For this quiz, do you want to show the correct answer? I'm going to click here. Show score when done. Yes. Show correct answer percentage. Yes. Show grade. Yes. Show correct answer for every question. Yes. Allow to retry quiz. Yes. Thank you message. Your quiz has been concluded. It says your users will see this message at the bottom of the result page once their quiz answer has been sent. So I'm going to click save settings, and then I'm going to go to settings. You can see I've done the settings. Grade, so pass from 50, percentage, I'm going to use 50. You pass well. So if that means if users get up to 50, this is what will appear. Okay. So quiz configuration, this is where I add the actual quiz. Let me add quiz. I'm going to click on create, and then I'm going to add questions under this Ben's quiz. I'm going to add 4 checkboxes. Text question is no, I'm not adding picture. What continent? You can add picture if you want. What continent is America? United States of America. Time limit should be 60 seconds. Option 1, Africa. Option 2, I can put England. Option 3, North America. So I'm going to select this as the right answer because it is the correct answer. So scores for it is 2. So the last option is Asia. You can add more options and you can remove options by clicking this delete button, and you can click OK. You can add another question. But I think I'll just use this one as an example. So it says this quiz is in preview because I've not clicked on publish. So here is my quiz I can create as many questions as I want. I can create as many questions as I want by adding another question here. The pop-up will come up again, and then I can enter my questions. You can see the pop-up is up again. I can enter my questions, and then you can see how it works. But yes, I would have tried this for you. I would have tried to actually answer this, but I would not do so because it is not possible in the preview. In the preview, the quiz does not work, so you have to actually install your app on your real Android phone or your real iOS phone to try out the feature. But that is basically how to set it up. Also, it depends on the type of questions, the type of grade that you set up here, and all of that. So that is how simple it is to set up your quiz feature. So I'm going to click publish quiz now. So the name will not be visible to user, so I'll call it my quiz. Then I'll click publish. After you publish a quiz, you should know that you cannot modify it anymore. So this one thinks that I'm trying to attempt the question. That's why the times is already reading. Remember, I chose 60 seconds for each question, so that's what is counting here. Okay, so I got the one I chose correctly, so you can see the answer page here. So basically, that is how the quiz feature works. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful day. Bye.